Welcome to our channel, Key2Income. In this video, we will see about the best 3 websites, apps to earn money. If you enjoy viewing shows and don't mind commercials or ads, you could make some extra cash on the side by watching ads for money. There are a variety of apps and platforms to watch ads for money that may be worth exploring. This guide reviews some of the most popular and how they work. 1. Inbox dollars. You can watch ads for money using inbox dollars. Wondering how it works? Brands hire inbox dollars for consumer feedback on their products and services. You'll get paid for your time watching video. You could get paid weekly based on how many ads you watch via check, gift cards, or PayPal. Watch ads and videos to earn 5 cents to 7 cents each. 2. Swagbucks. Watching ads for money is also possible on the online rewards website Swagbucks. It allows members to earn cash and gift cards for a variety of activities, including watching videos. Swagbucks has paid out over $785 million to date. To make money, you earn points that can be redeemed for cash by watching online videos through Swagbucks Watch. The video links vary, but the amount of points you'll earn per video is marked so you can decide ahead of time whether the points are worth it. Swagbucks points can be redeemed for Amazon or Walmart gift cards, or you can get cash back through PayPal. 3. Prezerable. Prezerable is another membership-style reward site that pays users cash in exchange for taking surveys and watching ads. What stands out is the variety of gift card options you can choose from, such as Visa, PayPal, Amazon, and Google Play cards, starting $5. Best of all, gift cards are delivered electronically in just a few minutes. Prezerable was founded in 2017, and there are over 12 million members who watch ads for cash. Unlike many reward sites, you can get paid instantly when you add a PayPal email. However, you'll need to hit a threshold of at least $5 before you see the funds in your account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to more videos like this. Thank you.